The only single incident ever happening on this cluster of 21 Acrobatic Via Ferrata happened here, on the Bear's Jump boulder. You might not say so, but this boulder should not be underestimated. Here is what happened last time when I was there. This should be a fast rock climbing of this Via Ferrata. Well, this boulder. I know I can climb this boulder pulling cable. I also know I can do it by rock climbing because I already did it in the past, but this time I would like you to have a better perspective on how I do it from the drone, to see the drop, to see how it looks like. It is a boulder, so as long as you can decipher how to rock climb it, you will just do it. I cannot imagine. I cannot believe it was so easy for me to rock climb this time. Wow, it is the fastest rock climb of this boulder ever. Okay. Last time it took me 5 minutes or so. Imagine this time. Give me a moment to clip myself up. So, woo! This is it. It was fast, what can I say? With practice, 2 years later, climbing this boulder, it is that easy. Imagine this, it is just practice and then repetition.